try to get a little kayaking in while it's low tide and the current is smooth and easy, and hopefully we don't get pulled out to sea. Yeah, I think that was the Army Corps that had that drone up in the air earlier.
That's what they said, some kind of Corps of Engineers or something.
Uh-huh.
Kind of cool.
Doing some surveying of the shoreline after the hurricane came through. Hell yeah, she made friends with him. Hey, buddy. Hey. What's going on, big man?
You done met us.
Uh-huh. There you go. I don't have too much fun. Hell yeah. Well, save some for us. Take it easy, man.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good day.
All right now.
Be safe out there.
Yes, sir. Oh, there's the old retired man out with his puppy dog, doing some fishing. I all finished kayaking, got just a little bit lost, but we had a great time doing it. So that drone we saw flying overhead, I found out where these guys are set up. I'm gonna go over here, see if we can't talk to them, see what they're flying and see why. I think they're flying because of the, you know, the hurricane stuff and just trying to get a survey of the shoreline and everything. But, you know, being a drone pilot myself, I'm kind of interested to talk to them, see what they're flying and, you know, see what kind of data they're collecting and what they're using it for. Cool. Going? Good. Y'all doing any more flying?
Yeah, fix it too. Gonna do a couple more.
Oh yeah? What are you flying?
Flying a RGB camera right now on a Firefly.
Okay.
It's a vertical takeoff, then transitions into forward flight, so it gets good battery life because it's flying on its wings instead of propellers.
Is that right?
Yeah,
That's really cool.
Most of the birds that are the rotor type have a limited life.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, time in the air.
Right, right.
Yeah. So.
Is it?
Yeah, what we're doing is we did a study out here this summer, well, about a month and a half ago, on all the dunes and grasses and everything. And we got a 3D map of it, of dune restoration. And then after the storm, they wanted to see what changed. So the first
really
camera
cool.
we flew this morning was well, it wasn't this morning, it was this afternoon. Some kind of red edge, which is like a 5-band camera, and you can do vegetation analysis with it. And, so we flew it again, but we don't expect to see much change.
Yeah.
But we just flew it to have it to compare because you can do a 3D map out of it too.
That's really cool. What kind of camera is that? I mean, what camera is it? A Zenmuse or is it?
What's the brand on the
more
camera?
high dollar.
Remember? The brand on the camera?
Sony A7.
Sony. Okay. Cool.
That's the A7R. The Vapor has A7R2.
Yeah. Well, y'all have a safe trip.
Okay.
All right, man. It's good talking with you. All right. All right, so we've got crabs that just came out of the pot, and we're gonna get them fixed up for supper. And then we're gonna have some salmon and some flounder. And what else do we have for supper, buddy? Oh, okay. All right, we've got some stuff coming up on the stove. We got flounder, shrimp, crab, and lots of good stuff to eat. So thank you all again for checking in. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button if you're into that sort of thing, and we'll see you tomorrow.